What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to remap or reassign different functions to secondary mouse button in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on mouse and trackpad and then click on secondary button. Now from here you can reassign a different function to the secondary button. So just simply tap on action to assign. So you can set it to open a particular app. So just simply tap on open app and then choose a app that you want to open. So here I will choose Google app. So now when I will press the secondary mouse button, it will open the Google app. So that's how you can reassign different functions to secondary mouse button in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.